Bank of America Checking Account Review 2025 Pros and Cons, honest and unbiased. You won't believe how full-service checking accounts have evolved in 2025. Bank of America offers a range of checking options with digital banking, rewards, and access to thousands of atoms, but is it worth opening an account? The surprising truth is convenience. Most people get this wrong by underestimating online tools. With Bank of America, you get a robust mobile app, Zelle transfers, bill pay, and budgeting tools, making managing your money easier than ever. Another advantage is perks. You won't believe what happens next when you see features like overdraft protection, cashback rewards on select debit card purchases, and access to preferred rewards for additional benefits such as higher interest on savings. However, there are cons. Monthly maintenance fees may apply unless certain balance or deposit requirements are met. Some branches may be crowded during peak hours, and customer service experiences can vary by location. In conclusion, Bank of America checking accounts in 2025 are a solid choice for individuals seeking digital convenience, wide access, and reward opportunities. While fees and branch experiences are considerations, the combination of digital tools and perks makes it a competitive option for managing everyday finances.